Drain and clean your blackberries, then put them in a nice strong bowl, and then start smashing. Once you get them to this consistency, you are ready for the next step. Now wash and dry all your jars. We're going to put them in the oven at 200 degrees. Just the jars, not the lids or the seals. In general, 1 cup of sugar for 1 cup of blackberry. Stir that sugar in there. Look at that. Look how smooth that goes. Okay, my wife always tells me to use a wooden spoon so I don't scratch any of the pots. So what we're going to do now is we're going to heat this sucker up. Get to a nice rolling boil. Maybe take about 5 minutes to do that. While we wait for that to get to boil, I'm going to do the same thing I did as a kid, looking all my mom's chocolate cake pans out. Now that we've got it boiling up here, we're going to turn it down to medium, and we're just going to let it sit for about 25-30 minutes. Next, get a little saucepan and turn it up to medium with some water in it. We're going to warm that up, and we're going to put our lids in there. We're going to wash them off. We're using these from last year. We just want to get them warm. We don't want to boil them. Don't want to damage the rubber seal. I love watching this. It's just kind of like watching lava coming out of a volcano. So I'm just going to take a little spoonful of that. Put it over to the side here and let it cool down for just about a minute or so. Let's see how it thickens up. Alright, we'll let it cool for a minute. Gonna see how nice and thick that is. So we got our jam all ready to go. We have the jars hot out of the oven there, about 200-250 degrees. Got the lids all warm and ready to go. Pair of tongs to get them out. Got our measuring cup to fill the jars with, and the funnel to help get them inside the jars. And lastly, the lids that'll go on top. So we're gonna start right now. Let's get it going. All right, my wife is from Bangkok, Thailand, and she loves these Chinese spoons. Look at it, nice and deep. Nice big handle and even a hook, so you can hook them on the side so they won't fall in. These are really great for scooping jams and jellies when you're getting ready to put them in a jar. So what I'm going to do is just scoop some up here a little at a time. Put them right there in the cup. See, it works really well. Such a nice big spoon. It's hard for it to spill over. Forget about using the funnel because this little measuring cup works really well. Right to the top line inside the jar there. Going. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 jars. Didn't get all 8, but 6, that's pretty good for 5 cups of berries. So while they're still hot, I'm gonna go ahead and get these lids out and start putting them on there one by one. Just make sure the edge of your lids are nice and clean. And the lids the little seals will still be hot too, so just be careful putting those on. Make sure the seals on there are good and tight. Just be sure to use a pot holder there when you lift them up to put the lid on. When you put them on, they should go nice and tight, just where you get some strong resistance, but not any more than that. Okay, now we're going to turn each of these over. Put them on the lid. Let them sit for 5 minutes.